Alright guys, careful here. See, there's a correlation with this Ace of Cups. There's a correlation to the Aeon card there, where we have a failed attempt to break through key resistance, followed by a sharp decline, and that's when the Ace of Cups energy begins. So there's like a big push, a note, like it'll stand out, and this could be the move right here. It would be a little bit early. It's more likely that this right here would be like a failed attempt to break through resistance. And it's also correlating, sorry, it doesn't correlate to the Aeon card, but there's clairvoyant impressions pointing me to it. It correlates to the art card, which is a big move up, followed by an equal move back down, like a triangle almost. Full retracement. And that's correlated there as well as the Aeon card. So what will happen is we're going to have this push the upper end of a range higher, and then we're going to fail to break through that resistance, or fail to hold breaking through that resistance, turn around, probably this resistance right here, and then turn around and decline. And the ace, and that's a trade opportunity there, likely at the high. See, there's a trade correlation to the Ace of Cups in the high position here. There's a trade correlation to the Ace of Cups here. You got the Science card in the high position. It's possible, guys. It is possible. I mean, we could go to Science. I really hope we don't go to this level. This is, I'd consider this Science level as well. And then the Ace of Cups decline commences. There's more Ace of Cups energy at the end of the day. There's a couple of tricky things though. Like there's the abundance card here. Sometimes that implies a like a highest high kind of situation, and there's also protection advised near it. So it's kind of an interesting day, guys, but whatever amount we move higher, we're going to come back down. We also have that same big move higher followed by a full retracement energy here at the end of the day. And off of the overbought crest or peak around the close, there's going to be a significant move down. But we open higher the following day. Then open higher than where we closed, I should say. See, like a disappointment energy usually sets up like this. We fail a resistance and we fall, and then it looks like we establish support. We come back and we try to break through it again, and based on the technicals, it looks like it's like this. We hit a resistance, fail to break through, come back down. It looks like we've established support sort of here. We take another test at that level. There's two things that could happen. We take a test at that level, we fail, we turn around and we decline through this level, or we break through this level, in which case we'll go to this level, 374-ish, but I doubt that. Even so, if we did that, we would turn around and we would come back down full retracement, but I don't see us going that high. We're already in the Science level. mean, technically, you could even say that this is the disappointment. It's not like your average disappointment kind of thing. I think we probably hit this again. Well, actually, that's not true. That's not true because we had the science correlation and the high correlator first thing in the morning as well. In the 12 to 1 o'clock hour, what comes first, Aeon or Ace of Cups? Ace of Cups comes first. Interesting. Okay, so midday here, we've got the Ace of Cups decline commencing. It may even start here where we are. Excuse me. And then we have there's a pop there, push higher in the midst of an Aeon card. I don't know how high that's going to go, just based on the fact that it's the trade correlator and we'll be in the Ace of Cups energy. But there's a notable move that'll stand out there midday. So we'll drop and then there'll be a push higher and we'll do some sideways fluidity. So it looks like we probably come back a little bit, and then in the midst of that peak that we have, wherever that peak is, which I don't foresee being a higher high, but the peak here mid-afternoon, I'm advised to open up protection there as well. So if you're just hopping on, guys, I was a little hasty. I don't know, I woke up in a strange mood. I was a little hasty. I got out of my short puts. I bought back my short puts and sold my calls way too early. Way too early. But around here, I got back in the same positions. So I wrote it about here, and now I'm only in the put side again. Well, I have a short. I have a vertical spread and I have long puts. So vertical put spread and long puts. Vertical put spread, I have 351 puts and 350 puts. So I sold 350 puts against 351s, expiring on November 2nd. Like, I'm really tempted to get in on the long side again, but I think that's just hasty. That's just me being impulsive. So I'm gonna stay put. I'm on the short side. We may see it go against us a little bit here. Interesting. I never found a correlation to the Ruin card. Let's go look for that. There's no blue stars for the Ruin card, so Ace of Discs. There's that science card again on the 24th. Huh. That's interesting. I'm noticing that I never found a correlation in the dailies to the ruin card. I wonder if it's behind us. Oh wow, boom, ruin card on the 19th. Hey Block, how you doing? So, I'm about to hop off for now, but, real quick, so you know where I'm at. Alright, pre-market, we had a high and a failed attempt to break through key resistance. We decline. Range bound here. We rally with the sun card all the way up here, completion of a bullish trend here. Now we're doing this like holding pattern junk with this Hierophant card. After this holding pattern, we're going to take a drop. The Ace of Cups energy begins, but in the midst of that drop, there's going to be a push higher to a failed attempt to break through a key resistance, followed by a decline through key support. It happens after the decline starts, and so there's a chance of another like prominent crest right around here, like mid-afternoon. But at that point, I'm advised to open up protection, and it's interesting because this card speaks of opening higher than when we close, but we'll see where we are at the close. So that's where I'm at. I'm basically on the short side. Yeah, all right. Good luck to you. I'll see you guys around 3 o'clock, maybe a little sooner.